What's up, folks? Welcome to the Beautiful Beer Review channel. So my buddy over at BeerSnobsUnited tagged me in a shotgun challenge that I think I Drank Beer started. And after watching both their videos, I decided to move this outside. So pardon my wife's car in the background and my neighbors screaming at each other in the back. Anyway, here's the rules. I get to tag two people. Holly from Holly's Happy Hour and my boy over at All Things Beer 510. You two are the two that I tag. The rules are simple. You get one can of your choice. Take the ABV, multiply it by the ounces. That is your score. You must shotgun the beer. It is sealed. And then after you've done it, you get to tag two people. Hopefully I will not fail at this. Even if I fail, I will post it though. So I'm gonna step over here and get my keys. I don't know if you can see this. This is an even more Jesus, and I'll give you my score after I tap this thing. Ready? That is an Imperial pint, 16 ounces times 12% ABV. 192 is my score. Let's see somebody beat it. Cheers, y'all.